friends, this is something difficult place or big stone here. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to cross this place. Okay, my older friends going. So you can see very big stone falling here. So I feel in this time night, but not very cold this place, because a lot of trees has been in this place. This road, how much dangerous you can see. I'm walking through this road. Okay, not plain. I feel something dangerous this road, or I'm getting main point. This is the very beautiful scenery place. I am exactly 1 hour. I'm walking to come here in this place. Already I come nearby this place. I feel very beautiful. This is place very beautiful. My friends going my front side. Something monkey has been in this place. You can see. Oh, very big stone here. Oh God. Oh God. One time if I will flowing, it will be very dangerous. This is my first mountain journey. This is mountain school, or my backside you can see a monkey is going. Already I'm getting this place. Now we will touring in this place. Okay. This place going to easy, but downside going to up side going to very easy, but go to downside it is something difficult. So no skating, no a lot of dangerous, something dangerous, that's why we are going to carefully. But something compatible, not there has been not compatible road. A lot of person has been in this place. They are showering. Okay, this is the first vlog in my YouTube channel. Okay, on my Facebook page I will upload this video. A lot of person, my friends, they are making videos. Hi, my friends he can't, I hope, properly English speaking. I feel very happy in this place. Okay, very big mountain. Wow, like a building mountains. I can show you the big scenery. Okay, I will try to my back camera or big scenery. This place is very nice or very beautiful, very strong, very nice water in this place. Something fish has been in this place. Wow, this is the best scenery. Very nice water, very strong. Not this black water. This is not black water. This is very beautiful water. Something cold. Not a lot of cold. Not a lot of hot. Smooth water. Oh, very a lot of mass from here. You can see how much compatible this place. If you come here in this place, same in this place, so carefully working, the mobile can be go to in the water. आप इधर आया है
टूरिस्ट आया है।
thank you. Okay. My brother come here from Kerala. I'm making English video. Thank you, bro. Senior brother, my owner, younger brother. He's very nice a person. Okay. Very beautiful. You can see very nice place for my background side. So dear guys, very beautiful. This is my first. This is my first time come here in the mountains. Okay, thank you. They are going unroadable. They can walk. Okay. This is very dangerous place. Not, but I'm again saying this is dangerous place. Not very dangerous. So something we should very. God, I did jump here. I jumped here. There. Oh, my friends, they are going. This is my first journey in the mountains. Okay, my older friends going before side. So now I'm getting a very beautiful side. Oh, very nice this place. Okay. I'm getting, friends. I'm getting the last side. Wow. Very nice place. Now, how much better water? Wow. Oh, very like the skin, like the pillars. Okay, friends. How much beautiful this place. I hope you're listening my speaking. Now I will go the. Oh.